Nourishing our nerves is fundamental to overall well-being. Our nerves facilitate communication between the brain and the rest of the body, enabling us to move, feel sensations, and carry out essential functions like digestion and breathing. In today's fast-paced world, where stress and environmental factors constantly bombard us, our nerves often bear the brunt of these pressures. Whether it's the tingling sensation in our fingers after a long day at the computer or the shooting pain that radiates down our spine, our bodies are constantly sending us signals, urging us to pay attention. Yet, how often do we pause to consider the impact of our lifestyle choices on our nerve health? The food choices we make daily can either support or harm our nerve health. In the hustle and bustle of life, where convenience frequently outweighs mindful eating, it's simple to underestimate the significant impact our diet can have on our overall well-being. Today we will explore the profound connection between our diet and our nerve health. So, join me as we delve into the world of foods that heal, repair, and rejuvenate our nerves. Fish. First up, we have fish. The omega-3 fatty acids in fish are like the building blocks of our nerve cells, helping to maintain their structure and function. They help build and repair nerve cell membranes while also reducing inflammation. Inflammation in the body can wreak havoc on our nerves, contributing to pain and damage. Incorporating omega-3s into our diet can support nerve function and promote healing. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Including these fish in our meals a few times a week can provide us with the omega-3s our nerves need. Whether grilled, baked, or pan-seared, fatty fish can be prepared in various ways to suit different tastes. Leafy greens. Ever wonder why Popeye loved his spinach so much? Well, it turns out leafy greens are like nature's multivitamin for our nerves. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these nutritional powerhouses play a crucial role in supporting nerve function and repair. From spinach and kale to Swiss chard, there's no shortage of options to choose from. Leafy greens are rich in vitamin K, essential for nerve cell development and maintenance. They're also loaded with antioxidants, which help protect our nerves from damage caused by oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can harm our nerve cells, but antioxidants act like a shield, blocking harmful substances called free radicals and helping our nerves to repair and stay healthy. Vitamin K also helps make something called sphingolipids, which are like the protective coating around our nerve fibers. This coating, called the myelin sheath, helps messages travel quickly along our nerves. From refreshing salads to hearty stir-fries, there are countless ways to enjoy these nutritious greens. Whether raw, cooked, or blended into smoothies, leafy greens can add a burst of flavor and nutrition to any dish. Ginger. This humble spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its potent healing properties. But what makes ginger so special when it comes to nerve health? It contains gingerol and shogal, which help with relief from nerve pain. They do this by easing inflammation and shielding your nerve cells from harm. Additionally, ginger's ability to enhance blood flow is noteworthy. This means that important nutrients needed to fix and maintain nerves can get to where they're needed faster and more efficiently. This improved circulation helps damaged nerves heal faster, making them stronger and better at their job. Adding ginger to your meals is easy. Just grate or slice it and toss it into soups or marinades for a zesty flavor boost. Turmeric. For centuries, the ancient spice turmeric has been celebrated for its medicinal properties, particularly its effectiveness as a natural remedy for nerve pain and damage. Recent preclinical studies have highlighted curcumin, a bioactive compound in turmeric, for its regenerative properties. Curcumin aids in the repair of damaged nerve cells, potentially restoring lost sensations and preventing neuropathy. Turmeric is also renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it invaluable in preventing nerve damage and alleviating pain. Curcumin plays a crucial role in maintaining long-term nerve health by preventing damage caused by toxic factors and reducing brain inflammation. Furthermore, turmeric stops pain signals from going to the brain, lowers the activity of genes that cause nerve pain, and turns on receptors that ease neuropathic pain. Research suggests that curcumin can reduce neuropathic pain by up to 66%. Thanks to these impressive qualities, turmeric is a powerhouse for reducing inflammation and shielding nerves from harm. It creates just the right conditions for nerve repair to take place. Integrating turmeric into one's daily routine is simple and versatile, whether by incorporating it into dishes like curries, adding it to smoothies, brewing it into tea, or enjoying it as a golden latte. Fruits. Fruits offer a delightful array of flavors and nutrients that can nourish our nerves. Let's delve into the fruits that are particularly beneficial for repairing and protecting nerves. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are rich sources of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant crucial for shielding nerve cells from oxidative stress and damage. Vitamin C also aids in the repair of damaged nerves by promoting collagen synthesis, vital for maintaining nerve structure and function. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of citrus fruits help alleviate inflammation in nerve tissues, supporting healing and preventing further damage. Berries, including raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, and cranberries, are packed with antioxidants such as flavonoids and polyphenol. These compounds neutralize free radicals that can harm nerve cells, contributing to nerve repair and overall health. Furthermore, their anti-inflammatory effects assist in managing inflammation in nerve tissues, facilitating repair and regeneration. While grapes contain resveratrol, a natural compound found in grape skins, known for its various health benefits, including its positive impact on nerves. Resveratrol protects nerve cells from oxidative damage, enhances nerve function, and stimulates cellular processes involved in regeneration. Other antioxidant-rich fruits like peaches and cherries are abundant in compounds such as quercetin and anthocyanins, which help reduce inflammation and safeguard nerves from harm. Moreover, these fruits provide essential vitamins like vitamin E and minerals like potassium, which support nerve health. Incorporating these fruits into your diet can significantly contribute to overall nerve health and well-being. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes offer numerous benefits for nerve health. Rich in vitamins A and C, they act as powerful antioxidants, protecting cells and reducing nerve damage and pain. Research suggests that purple sweet potato extract may also have anti-inflammatory properties, potentially soothing irritated nerves and alleviating pain. Additionally, sweet potatoes are high in fiber, which slows starch digestion, preventing rapid blood sugar spikes that can disrupt nerve function. They also contain essential electrolytes like potassium and sodium, crucial for maintaining proper nerve and muscle function by regulating electrolyte balance. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet can provide a delicious and nutritious way to support overall nerve health and well-being. Whether enjoyed as creamy mashed sweet potatoes or crispy oven-baked fries, there are plenty of tasty options to savor these nutritious tubers, adding a hint of sweetness and coziness to every dish. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, especially almonds and peanuts, are rich sources of B vitamins such as B6 and folate, which are essential for normal nerve activity and healing. These nutrients play vital roles in nerve cell structure, energy production, and overall nerve function. Moreover, nuts and seeds are packed with antioxidants that protect nerves from oxidative damage, supporting their repair. Additionally, they are abundant sources of magnesium, a crucial nutrient for nerve signaling and repair. Incorporating a variety of nuts and seeds into your diet, from almonds and walnuts to chia seeds and flax seeds, provides a diverse range of nutrients beneficial for nerve health. Lean protein. Lean protein sources such as chicken, fish, tofu, and beans are rich in amino acids, the building blocks for nerve cells. These essential amino acids play a crucial role in supporting nerve cell repair and maintenance. Additionally, they serve as the foundation for neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that facilitate communication between nerve cells. Lean meats like chicken and turkey are also high in vitamin B12, which is essential for maintaining a healthy nervous system and preventing nerve damage. Ensuring an adequate intake of vitamin B12 can help reduce neuropathic symptoms. Dairy. Dairy products are rich in calcium, which is essential for nerve signaling. Calcium allows nerve cells to communicate effectively with each other and with other cells in the body. It also helps regulate the release of neurotransmitters. Additionally, calcium is involved in muscle contraction and relaxation, which is crucial for motor nerve function. Dairy products also contain phosphorus, which works in conjunction with calcium to support healthy neuron function and maintain strong nerve cell membranes. Including dairy products in our diet provides a reliable source of calcium to support these critical nerve functions. From creamy yogurt and cheese to a refreshing glass of milk, dairy products offer a delicious and convenient way to boost our calcium intake. Water. Adequate hydration is essential for supporting every aspect of our well-being, including nerve function. Proper hydration helps maintain the structure and function of our nerves, ensuring efficient transmission of signals throughout the body. Water not only hydrates our cells but also helps maintain the balance of electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium, which are crucial for nerve function. These electrolytes play a critical role in helping messages move along nerve cells, making it easier for neurons to communicate with each other. By staying hydrated and replenishing electrolytes lost through sweat and other bodily processes, we can support optimal nerve function and overall health. Consistently drinking water throughout the day is key to staying hydrated and meeting our individual hydration needs. Our dietary choices play a crucial role in nurturing our nerve health. By incorporating nutrient-rich foods into our daily meals, we can support nerve function, promote healing, and enhance our overall well-being. Let's embrace the power of our plate to nourish our nerves and pave the way for a healthier, more vibrant life. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it with others. Thank you for tuning into Inner Health Zone. We'll be back for more health and wellness content, so stay tuned.